The Gen 6 features updated and improved manual functionality for easier setup and service of the system. There are two ways to access manual functions. The manual functions panel can be easily accessed by clicking the Show Manual Functions button. The other option is to access quick functions by using this expandable button here, and we get a list of available quick manual functions, including showing manual control. Some quick manual functions that are available at all times. We can move to the full open position, which is the maximum open position of the machine. We can also move to the start position, which is the position defined here. We can reset peak load. For more extensive manual functionality, we need to open the manual panel. We have to enable manual control for these functions to work. We can tare the load cell value back to 0, typical tare function. We can choose to home the press, which is how it zeroes itself to calibration when it powers up. The Gen 6 will automatically home itself on power up, but if for some reason, perhaps after a tooling change or adjustment, you would like to rehome the system, simply click this button here. It will be gray if home has failed. It will turn green when the system is homed and ready for operation. Jogging functionality, which is common for tooling setups or servicing, is no longer a press and hold operation. The jogging features move fixed distances, which are controlled by selecting one of these distances, and the speed can be adjusted by selecting different speed. We have slow, medium, and fast, and short, medium, and long. So if I have long selected at medium speed and I open the press, I'll move a fixed distance. If I want to move shorter for a minute adjustment, I simply adjust. And I can change the speed at which I move. Fine adjustments when jogging can be useful, but often it's faster to send the press to a specific position. When you are done using the manual functions, it's a good idea to disable them. Manual functions have to be disabled for auto cycles to run. And you can close the manual panel by clicking anywhere off of the panel. You can also click the close button on the manual panel.